My name is Boma Brown. I own the Qualicare Newmarket location in Ontario, Canada. We provide services for seniors in Newmarket, Aurora, Bradford, Georgina, and the surrounding cities. Yeah, we provide personal care services. We call it PSW in my location. We also provide nursing services and companionship services, and in addition to that, we also provide medication reminders for PSW for the nurses, medication administration. And in addition to all of that, they also provide companionship services. So yeah, we also partner with other agencies or local businesses to provide the services we don't provide. For example, transportation. That's something we do. We also help with like detailed house cleaning, though it's a little bit part of what we do. We call it light housekeeping, but if a client needs more detailed cleaning, we bring on board other local businesses that we have partnership or relationship with to help them with that. Yeah. Please reach out to us if you have any loved ones that would need our services, and we'll be more than glad to help you, and trust us, you will be pleased with the quality of service we'll provide for them.